Number 1. 1973 Ford F100, $6,200, Milledgeville, Georgia. This 1973 Ford F100 is an appealing classic driver, featuring a healthy 351 Cleveland V8 and an automatic transmission that shifts well. According to the seller, the truck can be driven home, although the soft brake pedal indicates the braking system should be bled before regular road use. The included tailgate is another plus for anyone looking to complete the truck. The 1973 model marked the beginning of Ford's popular 6th generation pickup line, known for its durable chassis and excellent engine choices. At $6,200, this is a solid opportunity for buyers seeking an affordable classic with strong mechanical potential and only minor work needed. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet C20, $6,000. Ste Genevieve, Missouri. This 1985 Chevrolet C20 is an impressive square-body pickup powered by a freshly rebuilt 355 cubic inch small block V8 backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a shift kit. The truck runs and drives well, features a rust-free body, fresh paint, a restored seat, and a newer battery. The only reported issue is a minor carburetor leak, which is generally a straightforward repair. Square-body Chevrolet trucks continue to gain popularity thanks to their rugged styling and excellent aftermarket support. At $6,000, this truck offers tremendous value for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a dependable weekend cruiser. Number 3. 1985 Chevrolet C10 truck, $900, Sylvester, Georgia. This 1985 Chevrolet C10 stands out as one of the most affordable restoration projects available. The seller reports that the engine runs well, making it an excellent starting point for someone wanting to build a classic, square-body pickup without a significant initial investment. With a single-owner history and clean background, it presents a solid foundation despite needing restoration. Square-body Chevrolet trucks remain among the hottest collectible pickups, making even rough examples increasingly desirable. At only $900, it is difficult to find a better entry-level project. Number 4. 1980 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $30,500, Litchfield, Kentucky. Although the listing identifies it as a 1980 Chevrolet S10, the seller describes a truck equipped with a manual 5-speed transmission that runs and drives well with no mechanical issues. If accurate, it offers a dependable compact pickup ready for immediate use. Compact Chevrolet trucks have become increasingly collectible due to their simplicity, lightweight design, and strong enthusiast following. At $3,500, this truck could make an enjoyable daily classic or an excellent platform for customization. Number 5. 1967 Kaiser Jeep 1 1/4 ton truck, $6,200, Marion, Kentucky. This 1967 Kaiser Jeep 1 1/4 ton truck is an uncommon military-style work truck that appears remarkably clean for its age. It requires a brake booster and fuel lines before returning to service, but the overall condition suggests a promising restoration candidate. Kaiser Jeep trucks are considerably rarer than contemporary domestic pickups and appeal strongly to collectors seeking something unique. At $6,200, this truck represents an interesting opportunity for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage utility vehicles. Number 6. 1985 GMC 2500 regular cab long bed, $4,500, Chattanooga, Tennessee. This 1985 GMC 2500 combines classic square body styling with a reliable 350 V8 and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain reportedly performs well, and the truck includes new tires and chrome wheels. While it could benefit from some cosmetic attention, it already serves as a capable work truck or restoration candidate. Square-body GMC trucks continue to rise in value thanks to their durability and timeless appearance. At $4,500, this is a practical and affordable classic pickup. Number 7. 1985 Dodge D150 regular cab long bed, $5,300, Lexington, Kentucky. This 1985 Dodge D150 Prospector features the dependable slant-six engine paired with an automatic transmission, a combination well known for outstanding durability. The truck has served reliably as a daily driver and retains factory hubcaps, working heat, and factory air conditioning that only requires compressor installation and refrigerant service. The body appears solid with only minor cosmetic imperfections. Dodge trucks from this era are becoming harder to find in original condition, making this $5,300 example an attractive survivor. Number 8. 1976 Chevrolet Silverado, $3,600, Starkville, Mississippi. This 1976 Chevrolet Silverado retains its original 350 V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission. After sitting outdoors for approximately 16 years, the truck now runs well and the transmission functions properly. The primary issue involves the brakes, which will need servicing before regular driving. Classic Chevrolet trucks from the mid-1970s are valued for their straightforward mechanical design and abundant replacement parts. At $3,600, this truck offers excellent restoration potential at an affordable price. Number 9. 1981 Chevrolet C30, $7,500, Anniston, Alabama. This 1981 Chevrolet C30 is a heavy-duty work truck powered by a 350 small block V8 with a manual 4-speed transmission. The seller states that it runs, drives, and stops properly, making it immediately usable. Chevrolet C30 models are respected for their exceptional payload capability and rugged construction, making them ideal for work or specialized builds. At $7,500, this truck offers a solid combination of functionality and collectible square body styling. Number 10. 1952 Ford F100, $8,000, Morton, Mississippi. This 1952 Ford F100 has been upgraded with a powerful 460 V8, giving the truck significantly more performance than its original configuration. It currently runs, and the sale includes numerous additional parts, although the seller admits it still needs further attention to reach its full potential. Early Ford pickups remain highly desirable among hot rod builders because of their timeless styling and endless customization possibilities. At $8,000, this truck offers both classic appeal and impressive performance potential. Number 11. 1974 Dodge D150 Club Cab, $3,500, Cowpens, South Carolina. This 1974 Dodge D150 Club Cab is an unusually rare configuration, featuring factory rear jump seats and a dependable 3/18 V8. The truck runs and drives well with a clean title, minimal body filler requirements, and no frame rust. Its natural surface patina gives it an authentic vintage appearance that many collectors now prefer. Early Club Cab Dodge pickups are significantly less common than standard regular cab models, making this $3,500 example a particularly attractive bargain. Number 12. 1963 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab, $2,800, Chatsworth, Georgia. This 1963 Chevrolet 1500 short bed is a promising restoration project that still runs but requires a replacement distributor before returning to reliable road use. While some rust is present, the solid rocker panels and floor pan provide an encouraging structural foundation. Early 1960s Chevrolet pickups continue to enjoy strong collector demand because of their clean styling and straightforward mechanical design. At $2,800, this truck offers excellent value for someone planning a classic restoration. Number 13. 1984 Chevrolet S10 LS short bed, $5,000, Noblesville, Indiana. This 1984 Chevrolet S10 LS short bed is being sold as an unfinished performance project with an impressive collection of included components. The package includes a 355 cubic inch V8 turbo 350 transmission combination, multiple wheel sets, shaved doors, lowering parts, and numerous additional accessories. For enthusiasts interested in building a custom street truck, this listing provides a substantial amount of valuable parts in one purchase. At $5,000, it represents a strong foundation for a unique custom build. Number 14. 1983 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $5,500, Hillsboro, Missouri. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale is a well-maintained square-body pickup powered by a 305 V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller has invested heavily in making it roadworthy, replacing hoses, brakes, tires, fuel system components, ignition parts, and installing a Holley Truck Avenger carburetor along with dual exhaust. The truck is driven regularly and benefits from its dry southwestern history, leaving the underside in notably solid condition. With only typical age-related rust and minor leaks, this $5,500 C10 offers outstanding value as either a dependable classic driver or an excellent candidate for a full restoration.